In my 10 and a half years with Norwex, I've had team members join me for a wide variety of reasons. For instance, I've had new mamas join so that they can make the income that allows them to stay home with their littles. I've had people in retirement join because they wanted something fun and flexible, something they're passionate about that they can do to earn some fun money. I have people who want to have a side gig that will fit alongside their full-time job. And others just simply fell in love with the products, knew they wanted everything for their house, knew they were going to tell their friends about it anyway, and so decided to become a consultant. And there's those of us who earn our full-time income from our Norwex business. So whatever your reason for taking a closer look at the consulting side of Norwex, I am super excited for you. This company is amazing, and I know that you will be blessed to be a part of it. So why am I so excited about March? Well, because there's a special March starter kit offer. You get the full, beautiful starter kit that normally you need $2,000 in sales in your first 90 days to keep for free. So you pay just $10 shipping to get it to your house. They give you 90 days to have at least $2,000 in subtotal A retail sales. However, in March, they're cutting that in half. So you only need $1,000 in retail sales in your first 90 days to keep this kit completely free, which is amazing. Now, should you not meet it, it's just $200 on your credit card 90 days later. But honestly, you guys, $1,000 in sales is so easy. That's going to include the purchase for the products you want in your own home. And even if you didn't purchase anything for yourself, that's just 2 average parties. And you can do that as in-home demos or online demos. You can do that one-on-one. We do trade shows. There's so many ways to share these products. Now, what comes in the starter kit? Oh, I'm so glad you asked. Okay, so you get the famous Enviro cloth. I like to call that the everything cloth. The window cloth. This is what polishes to a streak-free shine. And then the dusting mitt, which is amazing. No dusting product used. You just put it on your hand and dust. Okay, also you're gonna get the rubber brush, which is great for getting the dust out of the dust mitt and recharging the fibers. You'll also get a sample of the cleaning paste and a sample size of the Norwex Ultra Power Plus laundry detergent. And you get my favorite product, the Norwex mop system in the natural color scheme. You get the base, the 2 pads, the dry and the wet pad, and the handle. And by the way, this rubber brush is what you will use to clean the mop pads between uses, so you don't need to launder them every time. You also get the Norwex body pack, so that's 3 body cloths. These are very famous for being able to wash your face and body with just water. And it will even remove your makeup. It's amazing. Now, also in your starter kit, you're gonna get some current catalogs, a pack of business supplies, a cute little bag to carry your items in. Now, when I started 10 and a half years ago, I was a little freaked out. Like, I thought, what am I doing? This is not something, I didn't know much about the party industry. And what I love is Norwex now includes party cards. They're basically cue cards or just give you the words on how do I explain this to people? How do I share how and why these products work so well? And so those are tucked right in your kit as well. So whatever your reason for taking a closer look at the consulting side of Norwex, I am so delighted to chat with you more. Reminder that we do get a 35% consultant discount. So that is on average, our average party is about $500 to $600. So that's about an average of $200 per demo that we earn, which is a great income as well. So let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to text me and check out my blog, replacechemicals.com.